14.
14. How about a picture maybe of everyone?
Oh, yeah, thank you. That's nice. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Good morning! Breakfast natin ngayon. Tingnan natin yung mga food. Tara. Start with the juices. Tapos ang aga, meron silang pa-milk tea agad. Ayan, milk tea. Tapos naglalagay ka na lang ng sago. Ayan. Mga cheeses. Yan. This one, honeycomb. Super tamis. And some cereals. Kumain na ba kayong lahat? Fruits. Ayan. Some salad. Mag-salad tayo mamaya. Ayan,
Oh.
Wow. So yummy. Bacon. Oh, here's the salad section pala. At meron silang patubo doon, Ang cool. Egg. Super daming egg. Sausages. Gulay. Ayan. Sarap. So yummy. Favorite nan. Fruits. At dun sa kabila, meron pang bread section. Punta tayo. At ito yung special request ko, avocado and egg. Ayan, toast ang request ko. Punta naman tayo dito sa kabila. Dito naman ang mga pastries or tinapay. O ang aga ng donut. What's this? Apong balik. Oh, I think Indonesian. All the pastries. Sarap. Ay, so yummy. Ooh. Pancake. I think Ara will love pancake or this one. Ooh, big Nutella. Yeah. And the view, it's so nice. Oh, ayan. So, busog ang aking mata. Uy, alam mo, meron ganito sa Pinas, diba? Yung kulay pula. Ang sarap. Alam mo, busog na talaga yung aking mata sa nakita ko. So, simulan natin para sulit yung buffet, no? Good morning. Okay, let's try the yogurt and a bit of honeycomb. Matigas siya. Ang hirap tanggalin, madikit. Oo. Ayaw lang baba. More. Ayun na. Lapit na. Ayun. Ayan, tikpan natin yung yogurt and honeycomb.
I put it the crazy chocolate on the white one.
Sarap. Madami. Round 2. Ito naman ay healthy version naman ng aking round 2. Salad. Ayan, fruit. And tara na. Simulan na natin.